If you're a new iPhone user seeking ways to connect Wi-Fi through QR codes, this guide is perfect. In this guide, there's an easy way to access information through your device's camera. Currently, with iOS 18, Apple has extended this convenience to Wi-Fi password sharing. While iPhone users have long been able to share Wi-Fi passwords between Apple devices when nearby and listed in each other's contacts, QR codes remove these restrictions. This feature is especially helpful when sharing passwords with Android users, and you can even screenshot the QR code to print for guests. Sharing your password is a convenient alternative to reading out complicated strings of letters and numbers. GadInsider has compiled a guide on how to create and use QR codes for Wi-Fi password sharing. To view the QR code, you first need to launch the Passwords app and select the Wi-Fi card. You then need to select the Wi-Fi network they want to share with other people. The Wi-Fi details will be shown on the screen. Simply tap the Show Network QR code. The QR code will be displayed on the screen. If someone needs to access your network name and password, then they only need to scan the QR code using their device's camera.